Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another video from Bolts of the Wall Trading. I hope you guys are having a nice start to your week. Today is Monday, July 23rd, 2018, and it is good to be back. I was absent all last week, as many of you know, if I can talk today. I was out all last week. I let you guys know the previous week that it was going to be a busy week for me, and I also let you guys know in the chat room that I might not be able to make any videos because it was a real hectic week for me. That's over though, and this week everything should be back to normal. I don't foresee skipping any videos unless something pops up, but I don't see that happening. For those new viewers, what is this channel? What is Bolts of the Wall Trading? This is a channel I created to encourage people to trade. It's basically me just simplifying trading, and I really just want to get people to trade. So I keep all that technical language and all that, those big words and things that maybe scare people away out of my videos. I just make things very, very simple. And again, my main goal is to get people to understand how to trade and to see that it is really not that difficult. Just put some time into it. If you're really interested, if you work hard at it, if you study it, you can do it. This is not all that hard. I mean, if you graduated high school, you can do this. This is not that difficult. With that being said, I do have a free chat room through the Discord app. I'll leave the link to that chat room in the description of this video. That's a great feature in case you want to get in contact with me, if you want to ask questions, or if you just want to be in a community of people that are traders. And it's really a great way to get information and to get help. So I'll leave the link in the description of the video. I also have a course where I teach you everything that I know from A to Z. That course is available for $100. I will also leave the link in the description of this video. And I don't think I've mentioned it before, but the first class in that video is free. So it's just like an overview of what the stock market is. And it'll teach you how my course is given. So check that out if you're interested. I teach you everything, how to set up your scanner, what to look for, moving averages, candlesticks, indicators, time and sales, level 2, all the above, from A to Z. Everything that I do, I pass that on to you. This is going to be my watch list for Tuesday, July 24th, 2018, and I break down my videos into two separate watch lists. Day trading first, and then swing trading. I'm not a financial planner nor a financial advisor, so anything that I discuss here is just my personal opinion. Please do your own research before investing, and please understand that there are many different ways of trading. I discuss what works for me. That does not mean that it needs to work for you or that it has to work for you. Just understand that my way of trading works for me. It might not work for you. So just please understand that. So we're going to go into my day trading watch list. The first one that I have is AVEO, not Google, because as you can see, I think Google beat its estimates or its earnings after the market closed, and it just shot up like crazy. So we're gonna go, oh, I don't know what just happened. Okay, there we go. So the way that I like to day trade is I like to day trade the high. What does that mean? We basically look for the high of the day, which would be right here. In this case, for AVEO, it would be right here at $2.44, and we draw a line. Now, what we want to happen is for the price to start coming up and cross this line that we just drew at $2.44, and if it has good volume, we could get in right as soon as it crosses this line. We could get in, and that could set it off for a nice little run to the top. Or to the upside, I should say. So that's how I trade, day trade. I day trade the high. Again, this does not mean that this is the only way to day trade. This is just what works for me. One thing that I'm noticing right now as we speak, and for those of you that watch my videos, you'll pick this up, is that the high of the day is at $2.44. It is 6 cents away from $2.50. So why is that a big deal? Because whole numbers and half dollar amounts are a big resistance point. So what you got to say to yourself right here is, well, if the stock price crosses $2.44 and I get in at $2.45, it can go up, and as soon as it sees that 250 line right here, it could come right back down. So you got to ask yourself, is it worth it for you to get a 5-cent gain per share? I would say no. So I would delete this $2.44 resistance line that I have and leave it here at $2.50. For me, it's just a safer bet. Again, this is just what I like to do. The next one is CYH. Okay, so here's another chart that we have. So we identify the high of the day. It's at 318. So that's where we would draw our line, or if you want to get technical, a resistance line. And it's currently moving up and down a little bit, nothing crazy after the market closed. And the reason I know this is after the market closed is because it's this light gray area. So this light gray area is the market close. This black area right here is the regular market hours. So this one's moving a little bit after the market closed. The high of the day is 318. It's currently at 311, so 7 cents away. So hopefully tomorrow we can see it come up, cross $3.18 with good volume. That's the key to all this. You got to have volume. Volume is the gas that makes this rocket shoot up. So if it crosses 318 with good volume, we could get in and see it rise up for a nice gain. One thing that you need to understand is that nothing is guaranteed in the stock market. Just because this stock or any of the other stocks that I talk about cross the high of the day with good volume, that does not mean that you're guaranteed to make X amount of money. This stock could very well cross $3.18 with good volume, go up 5 cents, and then come right back down. So always have a backup plan, always have a strategy, always think, if this doesn't go my way, how am I going to react? When am I going to get out? What am I going to do? Don't just invest and say, well, everything's going to work out, because that's not the case. Nothing is perfect. Nobody knows what's going to happen. We are really all just taking an educated guess when it comes to this. So please have a backup plan and understand that not everything will go your way. And to go along with that, you need to know that you will lose money. If you are investing or if you're looking to invest, you will lose money. That's just a given. I always compare it to sports because I'm a huge sports fan. You know, if you are a basketball player, are you going to make every single hoop that you shoot? Absolutely not. If you're a baseball player, are you going to hit every ball that's thrown at you? No, you're going to strike out every now and then. You're going to miss some shots. That's just how it is. And this is the same thing with investing. So be wary of YouTube videos or books or people online that tell you that they never lose money, that they only make money, because that's just a lie, basically. So the next one is LC. So this one's pretty good because if you see it coming up here, where's the high? At $4.50. And what did I just say about $half amounts? A big mental resistance, or a big resistance. So if you look at this one, look at how many times it touched that 450 line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times, and it couldn't get past that 450. So that's what I mean when I say that if you have a stock that's close to a whole dollar or a $half amount, this could happen. So imagine if you bought it at, I mean, let's just say the high was at 448 and you got in at 449. Well, what happened when it hit 250? It didn't go above that. So that's why whenever I have a stock that's close to a whole dollar or a $half amount, I move my line up to that $half or whole dollar amount area. So for this one, it's the same situation. We want the price to cross above $4.50 with good volume. I like this one because it's touched 450 so many times that it's almost like if you shake a Coke bottle. Once you open that top, it should just go up, because this is a very strong resistance right here. You know, it touched it 13 times and it could never go above it. So I think that when it does go above it, it could go for a nice gain. But again, this is just my opinion. Please do your own research. So that's my day trading watch list. I like to have it set up as a 1 day 5-minute candlestick pattern, meaning that what we're looking at here is 1 day, and each one of these candles is 5 minutes. So that's how I like to do it. Now switching over to swing trading, I changed my setup to a yearly chart, where what we're looking at right here is a year and each candle represents a day. And again, if you don't know how to read candles or moving averages or anything like that, and you want to learn, again, my course is available. So let's take a look at what I have here. So CRMD is one that I've had for a very long time now. Oh, what happened here? That's weird. So CRMD is one that I've had for a very long time. This is a low risk, high reward stock. I'm basically waiting for news to come out on this stock, and that's basically it. I don't really want to get too much into it because I feel like I've done it like over a month now because I bought it a while ago. Today I got into HL, and why did I get into HL? Well, simple. This stock is bouncing off of support. So this blue line right here is a support line, and as you can tell, the stock came down and it's starting to go back up. So when I saw that, I bought in expecting it to continue to go up. As I mentioned a little while ago, nothing is guaranteed. For all I know, tomorrow this stock could come crashing down. That's the risk that you have to take when you invest. Nothing is going to work out for you 100% of the time. But I did see this setup and I like this setup. If I lose money, you just have to say, well, it's a setup that I like. I thought it was going to do good. I lost money. Move on to the next situation. So this is what I'm currently in. So just those two. And let me see if there's anything here that I have checked off that might be potential for the following days. So STNG, it could start to bounce, but not yet. So I'm still going to look at that one. This one, I don't really like it. MBT, I don't know. I have to see what this one does the next couple days. I think the only, oh, TRQ, this is another one. Okay, so TRQ, let me delete this. TRQ, I made some money on this stock right here. So as you can tell, this stock came down, it bounced up, came back down, and it bounced up. So I bought in on this huge jump right here, and I made some pretty good money. So if it comes down again to that support level, I'm definitely getting in. So let me delete this line and draw a new one. So right around there. Right. Oh, come on. I like to get this just perfect when it's all zeros. Okay, so as you could tell, it's touched this support line several times. So what I'm banking on or hoping for is that it comes down again and it starts to rebound back up. If it does that, I'm definitely getting in because it's done that before in the past. So we'll see what happens with that one. And I like that one again because that one was a previous winner for me. So that's about it. That's all I have for you guys. Again, it's good to be back. Thank you so much for watching. I forgot to mention at the beginning, if you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate all the support from you guys. Every time I get a new subscriber, it means a lot to me. Every time I get a thumbs up, it means a lot to me. It makes all these videos worthwhile. So thank you for the positive vibes. Thank you for watching and trusting me to teach you how to do this. Again, I'll leave the link of the chat room in the description of this video. I'll also leave the link to the trading course where I teach you how to day trade and I teach you how to swing trade. I teach you everything that I know. I'll leave that in the link. Oh, let me check my phone. Let me check the chat room, actually, I should say, to see if anybody has any requests for me to check out. Nope, no requests in the chat room, so I'll leave it there, guys. Again, Thank you for watching, and you guys have a great rest of your night.